हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज टुडे का एक्सरसाइज 4 डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो आज a figure, this is the figure we are going to draw. So first of all, before starting this design, so first of all, let us see where it should be started. You can see here, it is having these 3 circles with 26 dia and 60 dia and 42 radius. Okay. Next, from this center, at a distance of 80 and at a distance of 40 towards the bottom. So it is having a center. And then with that center, we have 2 circles with the diameter of 16 and another one, the diameter of 36. Okay, so the distance between these 2 centers are 85. So that means from this center, okay, so this center is at a distance of 40 and the remaining will be 85 minus 40, that is 40. From this line to this center, it is 45. And then again, we have 2 circles with the diameter of 26 and the diameter of 52. Okay. So then again, we have an arc with a radius of 96 and an arc with a radius of 42 in between these 2 circles. Okay. So like this, we need to first complete. First, when you take the system, you need to give the units. By default, it will be in inches. You need to shift to the millimeters, as my design is all in millimeters. And then I need to give the limits. So for that, 0 tab 0, enter. And I'm taking 500 tab, 500, enter. And next Z, enter, all. Okay, so this is a drawing space where I'm going to draw. So first, let us see. We have the 3 circle with the diameter of 26, 60. So first we need to draw that. So let us draw that. Center diameter. So place it anywhere. 26. And another circle with a diameter of 60. And another circle is there. It is center radius with a center of 42. So that's why I had taken center radius. So that is the 42. Okay. And then, so first of all, we need to draw the horizontal and the vertical line. You can select, you can draw Excel lines. Okay, so I'm preferring the line. So the horizontal line with some convenient length. I'm taking it as 100, or you may take it as 100 because it is having distance 80 with respect to that. That's why I've taken the 100. Or you can extend this line. You can stretch this line. Okay, and next vertical line I'm going to draw. So make sure that your dynamic UCS is on. Okay. And now, so then again, I have the 8 holes with 10 diodes, so that I need to draw. So either you can select on the vertical line or on the horizontal line. Okay. So you can select the circle, you can draw the circle first on the horizontal line or on the vertical line. In some cases, you need to see or check it once. Okay. So whether the circles holes has been there on the horizontal line or on the vertical line. Okay. So we have the circles both on the horizontal and the vertical line. Okay. So it's better. So to take the center diameter on the horizontal line I'm taking. So with the radius of, with the diameter of 10, enter. Okay, so then I need to repeat that. So complete holes are 8. So that's why I'm taking the polar array. So I need to select this circle, enter, and then you need to select the center. So you will get the 6 circles in one row. So but I need 8 holes. Okay, 8 circles I have drawn. Then exit. Then you can check it out here. Now I need to draw these 2 circles and also these 2 circles. It is at a distance of 80 and at a distance of 40 towards the bottom. Okay. So that I need to take. You can select the circle. You can select from this center. You can drag it. Okay, so to the left. So 80, enter, and then you can drag it to the bottom, and that is 40, enter. and press escape. Okay, then I need to draw the circles, 2 circles with 16 dia and 36 dia that I need to draw. So you need to select center diameter, and one is 16 and another one is 36. Okay, so then again at a distance of 40 towards bottom, and the complete distance between these two centers are 85. That means 85 minus 40, that is 45. Then again I will take a line. So from this, we'll extend the line at a distance of 45. The center will be there. Press escape, and then center diameter. So it is having a diameter of 26 and 52. I'm going to draw 26, and then again center diameter. From this center it is 52. Okay. Then again an arc is there, so which is having the 42 arc. So that I need to draw. So for that I need to select the fillet, enter, and then you need to select the radius, that is the 42, enter. Okay, you need to select these two. That's it. Okay, then again another arc is there, so passing through these 2 circles, it is having the radius of 96. For the one also you need to, first of all we need to select the tangent radius, because so he had not mentioned any, he had given only the radius for this one. Okay, so that means the circle is passing along the tangent on this one, and then along the tangent, and then the radius he had given. Okay, so for that we need to select the tangent radius, and then I need to select the tangent on this one, and then again tangent on this one, and then I need to specify the radius 96. Okay, so like that you will get the curve, and then unnecessary curve you can trim it. You can use the command trim and you can trim it. And then again I need to join with a line, so be in between these 2 circles. Okay, so along tangent shading. So for that, so first you need to go for the object snap settings, and then you need to deselect all, and then you can select only the tangent. Okay, so this is the tangent I'm going to select. Okay, and then I need to select line, so from this circle to this circle, and then again this circle to this circle. That's it. Okay, and now the remaining portion, so that is the unnecessary portion is there, so that I can trim it. This I don't need, and this one I don't need, and then this one I don't need, and this one I don't need. Okay, so like this you can draw. So now regarding the dimensioning, so first of all we need to give the dimensioning for that. Before that I need to specify the reference lines. So for that I need to go for the bilayer and other load, and then I need long dash dot lines. I'm going to select this. Okay, next you can select this one, and okay. So first you can select this line, and then bilayer you can select this one, and then again you select this line, or then again you can select this one. That's it. Okay, now regarding the dimensioning, so unnecessary lines what you may have drawn, so you can delete that. So this one, and then regarding the dimensioning I need to give. So first let's check what are the linear is there any linear dimensions of it. There are these two, 80 is a linear dimension, and 85 is a linear dimension, and 26 and 52 also linear dimension. Okay, so 4 linear dimensions are there, so that we need to specify it. Okay, linear dimension. So from this, make sure that you had selected all in the object snap settings. Then from this one to this one you can drag it. Okay, and now enter the dim style, and then you need to go for modify, and then in the symbols and arrows you can increase the arrow size, or you can go for increasing the scale. Arrow size I'm going to increase it to 5, and also text also I'm going to increase it to 5. primary units, I'm going to limit the precision for only 0. Okay. Next set current, close. Now it is visible. Okay. And in the same way, linear dimension, you can select on from this center to this center is having 85 mm. And then again, linear dimension. So from this corner to this corner, it is 52. And then again, linear dimension, this circle also it has given in linear dimension, that is 26. Okay, now we have represented the linear dimension. And then the radiuses, you can check it out. Radius, you can check it 42, 96, okay, and 42. So this we need to represent the radius. Okay, you can select the radius. Radius I need to represent. So this is radius of 42, and then again radius is having a radius of 42, and then again radius. So this curve also having a radius of 96. Okay. So radius we had represented dimensionally. And next, so this is having a diameter of 10, and then again 36 and 16. How you can represent that? Okay. So you can represent it by the aligned dimension. Drag that. Or you can give the aligned dimension for this one also. So you can represent like this, the aligned dimension. And next, okay, so this distance I need to give, that is 40, and I need to select the linear. So from this center to this wall, from this center to this line, it is 40. So like this, you can create this plate. Okay. So I hope this is a very easy. Like this, you can draw the 2D drawing in Autocad. So it is very easy. So hope you guys understood well. Thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel.